All right, I'm going to give y'all the tips on how to make a viral video. 3 simple tips, man. Don't worry about the Christmas tree. It's February. I know I still got to work on the Christmas tree. Don't trip on that. But tip number 1 is trending topic. So this trending topic was basically the football game, the NFC Championship game. So you always want to have a trending topic. Step 2 is triggering emotion from the people. I mean, just triggering emotion from you guys. So this is me triggering emotion off the losing team and the winning team, because both sides they're gonna feel a certain type of way about the win or loss. And number 3 is basically giving them something to talk about. And so in this video, I made sure my acting was terrible. I ain't a good actor anyway, so that just give them extra shit to talk about because they love to hate. Y'all people love to hate. And now look at this video, man. We got 1 million views. It only been a couple days. Already know how to make shit go viral, man. Tap in. All right, man, I'm in Ontario Mills, man. I'm about to show y'all how to make a viral video. So today, the 49ers and the Eagles gonna play. So I'm gonna grab t-shirts from each team and make this dope video. It's all about triggering emotions. About to get my Eagles and 49er gear. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to go both sides. I'm playing both ends.